Welcome back to Front Page Fades Barbershop News. As we all know, Gunna was released from prison the other day off of his RICO charge, and it left a lot of people speculating as to how he was freed and if he was freed authentically, meaning like if when he pled out to his charge, if it didn't affect anybody else, or if it did affect anybody else, but at this point no one's saying anything. So it's one of those things where, you know how the internet is, right? They're just gonna take the ball and just throw it. They don't even care where it's supposed to go. They don't care who's supposed to go to. They're just gonna get the ball and throw it, right? So as you should know right now, Young Thug, Gunna, and I believe 26 other people, which including is 28 in total, they all were arrested on RICO charges. So right now the thing is, Gunna pled to a set of agreed statement of facts, which kind of read out in a way where it seemed as if that he was acknowledging certain things that he wasn't supposed to acknowledge, right? Or deny certain things which would put the blame or fault on the other party. If you understand the way how the law is set up in America, right? The rapper, he took a Alford plea, and this Alford plea means that he pleaded guilty to the one charge while maintaining his innocence on that same charge as a form of self-preservation. Meaning that he basically like pled the fifth. He basically pled no contest. He basically just said he had knowledge that there was a gang or whatever situation it is. But what I'm saying is, what is he agreeing to? The fact that they already are a gang? What is he agreeing to? Is this something that was set up for him to go out there and get that bag so Young Thug could come back and fight his charge? Like, we gotta get the full gist of things before we start speaking. Like, these things could cause people their life, like as we know, as we've seen. These things also have a negative effect on people's careers. If you're not a lawyer, you're not in the judicial system, you don't work in the court system, you're not nowhere to do with anything to do with crime, stay out of it. Wait a couple days, see what's going on, try to be knowledgeable on your law terms and your lingo and understanding what they're saying when it's being said. And then maybe when you come out and you're able to say something, it sounds like a little bit of sense. Whether or not he is determined to be an informant or not, at this point right now, there's no uproar from his camp. Everybody else is on the outside looking in. And if his inside is not saying anything, yeah, we could look at it like as if they don't want to say anything so that it seems a way to the public. Even if that is the case, you leave it where it's at, because that is the case. Everybody's quick to want to release the first publication of anything. I understand that it's first come, first serve. So it's like whoever's, fast on the draw is going to be the first to get the views. Get it. Sometimes it doesn't work like that. This is somebody's life. This is somebody's freedom. If he is considered to be an informant, what does that have to do with you? Like, we seen a fan, I call them super fans, find a vehicle that resembled the vehicle I believe that he got picked up in from jail and was throwing slices of cheese at it. And I'm saying to myself, at first I didn't pay attention to the video, but then I realized the type of person that was doing it. And I'm saying to myself, for you to do that, right? I believe that you would have to come from the streets, understand the streets, be in the streets, right? And be one with the streets. And if you were like that, you would not do something like that, because who does something like that? So this era that we're living in right now, I'm telling you, that life of putting yourself out there and wanting to be the guy, and it doesn't work anymore. Either the fans are going to do something to you, they're going to build a case against you. And you heard me say the fans are going to build a case against you, because right now it's the fans who are solving all the cases. It's not the police. It's the internet detectives. So if either the fans are going to build something against you that's going to get you sent to jail or get you killed, or, you know what I mean? Like, you guys are going to put yourself in this shit, knowing that that's what's going to happen to you. So either way, the result is the same thing. It's just, how do you want to go forward with this? Because even watching this right now, this is, bro, I don't even understand what's going on. But I'm not going to speak on it and say something about somebody that could get somebody's life altered. You know what I mean? So at this point, we're going to keep watching and seeing what's going on. But it seems as if everything is on the up and up. Just understand your legal terminologies. Understand when people are talking, and just don't jump the gun. Like, he never took the stand. He agreed to a couple statements. And the statements that he agreed to, there is ways around it. Like, if you have a lawyer, your lawyer will be able to tell you what's going on. Like, fuck the public. You know what I'm saying? If Thugger knows what's going on, then everything's good. At this point right now, it's just wait. Wait and see what's going on, because we don't know what's going on on their inner workings and the inner circles. We just gotta play the game, bro. Just wait, lay and wait. No one ain't saying you're not supposed to report on it. Yeah, he's free. No one knows how he's free. He was in jail for 6 months. He was supposed to go to trial next year with Thug, and sporadically he's out of cuffs. But if you don't know the court system, you're not gonna understand what's going on. So let's let it play out. And as you know, there's still court proceedings going on. So it has to unfold. So if he is an informant, it will come out. But when you have paperwork, that's what we go by. Word of mouth on these things are very detrimental to people's lives, livelihood, and income. So we're just gonna play it by ear until we have definitive information that that's how it goes.